In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Odoo Error 401 issue step by step, even if you're a beginner. A 401 error in Odoo usually means there's an authentication or session problem, and it can be really frustrating when you suddenly can't access your dashboard or settings. Don't worry though, this is a very common issue and the fix is surprisingly simple. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can get back into Odoo without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tips, fixes, and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Odoo homepage. This is usually the main URL of your Odoo instance. Once the page loads, check if you're seeing the 401 error immediately or if it appears after clicking on something. In many cases, the error happens because your login session has expired or become invalid. Simply landing on the homepage helps confirm that Odoo itself is loading correctly. Next, the most important step is to refresh the page. Go ahead and refresh your browser using the refresh button, or by pressing Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on a Mac. This forces Odoo to reload the session and often clears temporary authentication issues. After refreshing, wait a few seconds and see if the page loads normally. In many cases, this alone fixes the Odoo 401 error. If refreshing the page doesn't solve the problem, the next thing you should do is open a new browser window or a completely different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try opening Odoo in Firefox or Edge. This helps rule out browser cache or cookie issues. Open the new browser, paste your Odoo URL into the address bar, and try logging in again. A fresh browser session often resolves permission-related errors instantly. Once you're in the new browser, log in with your correct credentials and check whether the error is gone. If you can access your dashboard and settings without seeing the 401 error, then you know the issue was related to your previous browser session. At this point, you can also go back to your original browser and clear cookies and cache for the Odoo site to prevent the issue from happening again. If you're still facing the error, make sure you're using the correct URL and that your account has the proper access rights. A 401 error can also appear if your user permissions were changed or if you were logged out automatically by the system. In most everyday cases though, refreshing the page or opening a new browser is enough to fix it. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the Odoo Error 401 quickly and easily. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Odoo troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.